Hello everybody, my name is Ning.
Hi everybody, my name is Xuan. We are going to introduce our Scratch project for the visual programming category for Coolest Project Malaysia.
Our Scratch program name is Learning Time, and in this project we're going to learn some knowledge for three subjects: Science, Mathematics, and English. So there are three subjects as you can see here. There are Science, Mathematics, and English. We're going to explain each subject firstly with Science. So in Science, we're going to explore about factors that affect the development of a fetus. You can click on any of these sprites to explore the function of each nutrient to the fetus and mother and examples of the fruit with the said nutrient. So I'll just show you all here. Once you are done, you need to press the S key to proceed to a quiz. You have unlimited time to answer, so feel free to take your time to think before answering. So let's look at the first question. What is the function of iron? The answer is formation of hemoglobin to prevent anemia. So once you answer correctly, you gain 1 point. But if you answer wrongly, so for example here, you will not gain any points. Yeah. Once the quiz is over, you write your feedback here. You can write if you enjoy the quiz or not. So yes. Okay. Subject, which is maths. In maths, we're going to explore about algebraic expressions involving basic arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction. You read the info here, this whole thing, and if we press, and then once we're done, we press V, and we'll proceed to a quiz. The quiz is the same with the science, like the science subject that I just showed earlier. Once you answer correctly, you gain a point. If you don't, you not gain a point. You can use a calculator when you're doing your math questions. And the questions go like this, something like this. Yeah. Now we'll proceed to the third subject, which is English. In English, we're exploring past simple tenses. Yeah. So you read the info here, and once we're done, we press E and we proceed to a quiz. So a word reminder that you need to read the info carefully so that you can answer the questions correctly, as all the answers here are based on the info provided. For example, watch. So yeah, go something like this.
Why did you choose to make this project? If you have noticed, these topics are based on the Form 1 syllabus. Even though we are new Form 2 students, we want to help our fellow juniors to study and revise this topic. Through this project, we also aim for other students to gain knowledge through a fun and entertaining way. Okay, next. What did you find difficult while making your project and how did you work it out? Definitely programming the code so that the sprite won't show up in some backdrops. Especially in the science subject where we need to make sure that when each sprite is clicked, the other sprite won't show up. So we searched up the internet and found out how to use this broadcast. And when I received this message block, we were then able to achieve our goal. Is there anything you would do differently or you would add it if you have more time? The animation quality. Even though our project has many subjects, the animation is very basic and bland. If we had more time, we would change the sprite and backdrop to pixelated image. Additionally, we would use more advanced blocks and functions to create more of a game vibe to this project. We don't want our project to just be limited to a learn and quiz system, just like we do during our usual classes. On top of that, we would add more subjects as the syllabus has more subjects such as history and geography. Okay, thanks for listening.